Hello, I'm Wayne and this is Digital Chowder Video Blog. Our topic for this video is the advantages of building your own business website and how to do so with the least expense and smallest learning curve. Now, the largest portion of this video will demonstrate how to get your website off the ground and into the cloud. If you want to get into more detail on the topic, read my blog, The Art of Do-Yourself Website Design, a comprehensive guide to building your own business website. So the video will focus mostly on how-to. Now, before getting into a specific web builder and giving a demonstration, I want to start with an explanation of why I'm taking the approach that I am. WordPress is the most widely used platform on which websites are built. Many professional web designer and developers build their sites on WordPress, myself included. So why am I not using WordPress for this demonstration? Well, first of all, notice I refer to WordPress as a platform, more accurately as a content management system. Therefore, it's not actually a website builder. That said, it does have website building tools built into it, but I don't consider these tools to be the most intuitive, nor the most powerful or easiest to learn. So for that reason, many of us who build websites as a business use third-party website builders within WordPress for our design work. So this involves buying a third-party web builder, which can be an additional expense. You can get, of course, free versions, but with limited functionality. Another potential expense of using WordPress is the addition of plugins. Again, free versions of many plugins is possible, but again, limited functionality. And then let's add the expense of website hosting. So, you get WordPress free. It's a free installation, but that installation must reside on a server, which involves a hosting service. And then another likely expense has to do with the popularity of WordPress. And this is has to do with the issue of security. Due to its popularity, WordPress is a favorite target of hackers. So another potential expense is a security plugin. So this is why I've chosen to use an online web builder for this demonstration. For a modest monthly fee, you can have all you need to build your do-it-yourself business website, including an intuitive web builder. And I'm going to use Site123 for this demonstration. It's ranked among the top 10 best business website builders by Wix in their article, Best Business Website Builders in Comparison. Create your own professional website in minutes. Now, I can't recommend it as the best because I haven't compared it to others in this same way. But the article in Wix ranks it as the easiest website builder. So for that reason, I'm going to use it as an example of this type of online website builder that uses intuitive drag and drop functionality. Site123 offers a free plan with a couple of downsides. One is that you get a subdomain. The other is that it comes with Site123 branding. Now, a subdomain will allow you to use the name of your choice attached to the Site123 domain. So it might look like https yourbusiness.site123.com. And for this reason, this might be reason enough to go ahead and pay for their premium plan, which is $12.80 a month. And then you'll get a free domain and it will remove the branding. And I think it'll bode better for your business image. So as we proceed with this demonstration, I'm going to use the free plan for the demonstration. All right, so we're on the Site123 website now. And before I get into the details of it, I just want to give you an overview. It says here, create a free website. And this is true. They do have a free plan. it will have some limitations to it. We touched on that in the first part of this video. But I like a free option here before I'm ready to buy in. I want to give it a trial run. Be sure it's going to do what I want it to do for me. Of course, a variety of templates to choose from, and we'll get to really test that in just a minute. It has a website editor. It's mobile friendly, free hosting, of course, if you're on the free plan. Has SEO tools, which is good. Custom domains, you can get your custom domain, but that does not come with a free account. And you can set up an online store, which is good. Here they say what makes us the best, because they are the most intuitive and easy to use website builder on the market. And this is what the article from Wix was saying, that they ranked it as the easiest to work with and to learn. Okay. Okay, and then one other thing, 24/7 live support. I came across this in the reviews, and I took note of it because some of the reviewers were saying no matter what time of day or night, if they were working on their website, they could call live support, or possibly using chat, and get their questions answered. So I could see that as a very positive feature. So their pricing, we touched on that again. They have two plans. They have the free plan, which gives a subdomain, and then they have the premium plan for $12.80 a month, which gives you then a free domain, a regular domain. All right, so let's just get started. Let's see what we're going to get into here. What type of website? We're going to build a business website. So we're going to call it Elite Web Presence. All right. And now go to the final step. Name. My name is Wayne. They took it. So here's a page. Now this is what they automatically gave to us. So I want to know, where do we find designs from which to choose? You know what? This looks pretty good. We can work with this for sure. I don't see where we're getting the opportunity. Layouts, okay? Let's look at layouts. All right. Now we're getting some different layouts. Okay. So rather than showing us full page layouts like a lot of themes do, we look at layouts for each of these sections, or we might call them blocks on the page here. So we could select one here. I kind of like what's right there, so I'm going to stay with it. And here I'm going to put the name of the business. And you notice I just selected it. We're in edit mode, so I just selected it and started typing. Here I'm going to put websites for small businesses and organizations. We could put something here about ourselves, or we could change the layout of this. So here we have some options. A lot of it looks like puts a image either to the left or the right, and then on the opposite side some text, or here's some without any image. Now I might change this image just to get into doing that. So here we could choose an image, and we can upload an image. All right. So I'm going to do that. Oh, let's see if one of these works. Okay. Okay. We can go with that. And we're going to say something here. And see if it allows to adjust. I don't see a way to adjust. Okay, so by pulling that down, it adjusted the text for the size of the box, and you notice that the font got larger as I did that. I will pull it back down a little bit more. Let's move it up. See how it's getting smaller, and that's as far as it'll go. And now let's take it down as far as it'll go. All right. Services. Okay. Edit. Okay. We've got to click the edit box. All right. So here, and I'll put this in there. We could choose an image to go with it. Was there an image? Yeah, there was an image that we could have chosen there. I'm just going to leave that image there. Edit. And a description here. And I think I'll leave that image there. Okay, now I'm not sure why. I'm going to edit. Okay, that's why. All right, take that out. Okay. All right, that's better. All right. Okay, save. And so we have now services that we've entered into it. Contact information, the address of our business. Now this is a contact form for your visitors to your website, and it's already there. And we could check into, I'm going to click on edit. All right, phone, here you can add or change your fields, your text, your contact fields, custom emails. Okay, it's going to use your admin email address, which was address I entered when I signed up, and that's where the notifications will come when you get a someone fills in your contact form. And we could give a short description here of the form as to what it's for. No need to do that. All right. So there we have it. Now then, okay, and so the map is showing the address that we enter here, it appears. And so here we go. You know, we have created pretty quickly our home page. We could go to our About page, edit the header, phone numbers, email, location, social networks, phone numbers. Okay, I just turn that on, and now, okay, here's the phone. Show email. All right. So here's email. All right. Location address. All right. So it's adding icons to our header. Now then I'm going to click on our menus, header, about. There's the about. Services. There's the services and contact. So this looks like they've set us up with a one-page site. Pages. Home, about, services. Services, contact. Add new page. There we go. Here's our choices of the type of page that we want to add here. Testimonials. Let's say we want to do testimonials. So we're going to pick something like this maybe. And you know what it did? It added it to our home page. So we are really just designing a landing page here. It's what we're doing. But not bad, really. And as they promise, very, very quick to set up. At least for me, the thing that might take the longest time is coming up with the content, the text that I want to enter. And AI, oh, that's what it says. All right, hey, now there's a good feature, text AI, so they could help you. I have entered here, so let's see what they're offering us. Professional website design, so their AI suggestions will follow the content that I entered. A big help, I like that. All right, well, I believe that's going to cover it for us. One of the things that they talk about for the site is that it is responsive to whatever device you're viewing the website on. And we can check that out with this right up here. This is the desktop view, but here's the tablet view. So you get to see what it's going to look like on a tablet. And here is your mobile phone view. And that's what that's going to look like. So all I need to do now is to publish it if we're ready to go with it. So we click on it and we can click yes. I'm not going to publish it. Great. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to close it at this point. I hope you find this video helpful, and before you leave, subscribe to the Digital Chowder channel and smash the like button.